How to turn off location tracking completely on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn off location tracking completely on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on privacy and security. From privacy and security, tap on location services. Now from here, if you want to just turn off location tracking completely on your iPhone, you can get the option for location service. Simply tap on top, but make sure you are disabling your location tracking completely on your iPhone. So make sure to confirm that. As you can also turn off the location for any application. For that, simply you can swipe and find out those application and you can set it for none. So these are the method you can try. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.